Magic? Okay. Come
Come
on.
here, come here, come
Come
here.
here, come here. Want to see? Come on.
You see.
Yes, magic, magic.
Magic.
So, pick a card. Doesn't matter. Then show.
You.
Show to camera. Okay.
Okay.
Just memorize
Good.
your card. So your card is the 5 of diamond, right? So 5 of diamond, we put it in the middle. Right in the middle. Pero snap your fingers.
Ganun.
Snap your fingers. Snap. The 5 of diamond. Oh, is up. Up. You see? You see? Okay, one more time, one more time. One more time. The 5 of diamond, we put it in the middle. And you snap. Snap the 5 of diamond.
Oh.
On top. One more time, I will show you that 5 of diamond, your card. Okay? And then ordinary deck of cards. So the 5 of diamond, right, is now on top. Oh. Okay, one more time. So fold this your card and show your show. Camera ulit. Okay?
Good, good.
Just memorize. So, 5 of diamond. Put it that. So, insert your card. Insert. Five of diamond. Okay.
Very nice, very nice.
Very nice. Excellent. Oh, thank you.